Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about how to self-correct your whole back posture. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. As we already discussed in our previous videos about posture correction, if you want to correct your posture, first you should determine the problem of having poor posture. Then you will know where improvement is needed. You may be someone who sits for a long time every day, and this can cause several spine issues for you, or you may need to change your daily habits such as walking to correct your posture. So, the first step for you is to determine where you need help, and then go for help. If your problem isn't so serious, you can fix it with some easy daily habits and tips. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you 5 ways you can fix your whole back posture by yourself. Stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Generally speaking, posture is the way you hold your body. It included every move and every pose such as standing, sitting, lying, sleeping, driving, lifting, and carrying. Good posture is when your body has a well-balanced condition in these situations. None of your muscles and bones are weak, and the pressure on your body is out on every part equally. Poor posture is exactly the opposite. Here are 5 correct postures in 5 different conditions. Correct sitting posture for office. If you sit on office chairs for more than 2-3 hours, you are at risk of many health issues, one of which is back pain, and other health issues related to the spine. Prolonged sitting also increases the risk of many diseases in your body. If you want to know what are these problems and why this happens to your body through prolonged sitting, there is a video on our channel about this topic, you can check it out. Let's get back to our topic, correct sitting posture on office chairs. You should keep your back aligned against the office chair. You should never slouch or lean forward, especially when you are tired after hours of work. Having an ergonomic chair is the most important thing you should have in your office. These chairs are designed to support your back and your spine properly. You can fit them with your own body costume. While you are sitting on an office chair, be sure that your arms are flexed at a 75 to 90 degree angle at the elbows. The knees should be even with the hips or a little bit higher. Feet should be flat on the floor. If your feet don't fit the floor, try a step or something to reach your feet. Keep in mind that your soles should be comfortably at 90 degrees with your legs. Your shoulders should be straight. This is a correct posture for sitting, but it's better to avoid sitting in one place for more than 30 minutes. Change your pose every 20 minutes. You can stand and walk for 1 or 2 minutes. It helps a lot to keep yourself away from the diseases that prolonged sitting can cause for you. Correct standing posture. You may think having a good posture is just related to sitting posture, but that's not true. Even standing has good and poor posture. While you are standing, your weight should be on the balls of your feet, not on your heels. Your feet should be about shoulder width apart. Keep in mind that your knees shouldn't be locked, and your arms should hang naturally on the sides of your body. Tuck your chin and your head should be square on top of the spine, not pushed forward. Always try to stand tall and straight. Keep your shoulders upright. For those who have to stand for a long time, it's better to shift their body weight from one foot to the other. Correct walking posture. While you are walking, your arms should be on the sides of your body, your head should be up in a way that your eyes look straight ahead. Don't push your head forward or slouch your shoulders. Keep your spine straight and tall while you are taking the steps. Correct lifting and carrying posture. Keep in mind that lifting and carrying a very heavy weight is not safe for your spine and your waist at all. But if you have to do it sometimes, having the correct posture may prevent more damage. To lift a weight, Bend at your knees, not your waist. Utilize abs muscles and hamstring muscles to help your body lift the weight, not your lower back and your spine. If you want to carry a large object, it is better to keep it close to your chest. To carry something with one hand, it is better to change the hand frequently to avoid damage to your shoulders. Your backpack, purse, or bag should be as light as possible. Both sides of your body should be balanced on their best level. While carrying a bag, don't lean forward or round your shoulders. And the most important thing is to avoid carrying and lifting things you feel like too heavy. Correct sleeping posture. There are numerous sleeping poses that are healthy for the body, but at first, you should determine what is your problem. For example, one pose could be healthy for those who suffer from digestive problems, but the same pose is not healthy for people with back pain. So, it is up to you which pose is proper for you. If you want to know what is the best sleeping pose for you and your health issues, there's a video on our channel, you can check it out. The most dominant cause of poor posture is a tense and weak muscle that has been weakening during the time you have not been used to it. This weak muscle will affect the other muscles around itself as well as the bones and joints. The pressure on the other muscles increases, and this will cause poor posture, pain, and other spinal issues. There are many ways to correct your posture, such as some specific stretches. Our channel has lots of these videos to help you correct your posture and pains which are related to muscles and bones. Many people try massage therapies, yoga, Pilates, and many other lights and regular exercises. These are also effective. Other treatments for correcting the posture are chiropractic or osteopathic manipulation. All these treatments are effective, but you should choose the best one according to your problem. And after treating your problem, avoid poor posture. It's better to check your condition with a physiotherapist to have the best treatment. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.